Hello, I am R.Padmadevi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about beginning with C++. Structure of C++ program. So first, we must include the header files which is necessary for the program. Second, we must declare the class. Next, we must define the member functions. And finally, we must create the main function program. This is the sample C++ program. In this, first, we add the header file. Second, we are creating the main function with init data type, that is integer data type, and then opening with the flower braces and using the statement cout with a double lesser than symbol and giving the information welcome to C++ and end with semicolon closing the flower braces. So this is the basic example for starting the C++ program, and it will display the output welcome to C++. Next is comment statement. In C, we use the comment symbol slash asterisk and line ends with asterisk and slash. This is used for the multi-line. And in C++, double slash is used to specify the comment. Next is the output operator. cout with double lesser than symbol is the output operator that is used to display the information, and here double lesser than symbol is called as the insertion or put to operator. It inserts or sends the contents of the variable on its right to the objects on its left. Next is header file, that is iostream file. Older version of this is iostream.h. Nowadays we are using iostream. It adds the contents of iostream file to the program, that is input and output streams to the program. It contains declaration for the identifier, cout, and the operator double lesser than, that is insertion operator. The header file iostream should be included at the beginning of all programs that use the input-output statements. These are the sample header files we can use. Next is namespace. This concept was introduced by the ANSI C++ Standards Committee. This defines a scope for the identifiers that are used in a program. For using the identifiers defined in the namespace scope, we must include the using directive. Example, using namespace std. Here std is a namespace. std is the namespace where ANSI C++ standard class libraries are defined. All the programs must include this directive. This will bring all the identifiers defined in std to current global scope. And using and namespace are the keywords of C++. Next is return type of main function. In C++, main function returns an integer type value to the operating system. Every main function should end with a return statement. Otherwise, it will display a warning or an error. Since main function returns an integer type, return type for main is also integer type. Default return type for all function in C++ is int, that is integer. Main without type and return will run with the warning. This is a sample program to add two numbers using C++. First, we are creating a header file iostream. Next, we are creating std using namespace. Next, we are creating a main function with integer data type, and within the function we are declaring the variables n1 to get the first value, n2 to get the second value, and result variable to declare the result, to display the result. Here cout statement is used to get the first value and it is stored in the n1, and second cout to get the second value and it is stored in the n2. Here C in double greater than symbol is called as the input operator extraction or get from operator. And in the next line we are calculating and displaying the value in the result variable. Result is equal to n1 plus n2. And in the next statement we are displaying the result. Here we are using double lesser than symbol more than one time is called the cascading operator. That means first it transfers the information, addition of two numbers is, and then it transfers the variable result, and then it displays the information to print the result in the new line. And finally we are using the return statement. Thank you.